Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the supports, resistances, and fair value gaps that we drew yesterday. As you can see, Nifty looks like it has taken a strong support at this fair value gap. And this is Nifty on a daily time frame. Let's, as usual, delete all that we drew yesterday and start afresh. From the monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. Why am I saying it's bullish? Because the low made in August has not been validated till now. The low made in August had been protected. That means the buyers here are hyperactive and then has bought. There were enough buy orders to defeat the bears and then take Nifty higher. Well, let's see. It's a few days into. It's halfway through February, 1/3 into February, and let's see what happens for the 10 days that remains. Important levels. Previous all-time high is the level where big sellers are. The sellers that need to be defeated. That's 26,277. Previous swing low is the place where buyers are, and the place where buyers are pushing stationed and pushing into the sellers. That's 24,337. Going into the weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame it has been bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this high, the previous high, is higher than the present high. That means Nifty has been making lower highs. That means sellers have been selling at lower levels with a lot of confidence. So level to be protected is the high of this candle. That is, this high of this candle is 26,341. But let's see. Is there an important level to be looked out for? Well, nothing I would see as important. Let's go to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, previously it was bearish. So why was it bearish? This swing high, that's a previous swing high, is much higher than the present swing high. That means it is Nifty has been making lower highs. So it is still bearish, and the level that needs to be protected is the previous swing high. Let me mark it in red and with thinner line, and it is 26,009 or 26,000. Let's take it to a round figure 10. And so this is the level that needs to be protected. It's a lower high has been formed. That's bearish on a daily time frame. Is there any other level that needs to be looked out for? There is a flat top here. That's at 25,906. You can take it up to the nearest round figures. That's up to you. But my level is 26,906.7. Flat tops are big sellers. That's the only logic behind this. And there is a fair value gap that has been formed here. A bearish fair value gap. Let me mark it in red for clarity's sake. And Nifty is still in that fair value gap. So fair value gaps are zones of liquidity where the price actually jumped on a big order and there's like lots of orders that are pending in that area. So Nifty could be eating all the orders in this area and then it would fall, or the buyers could be really strong, eat all the orders in this area and then fly up. So we don't know unless Nifty makes a move. Until this high, that is 26,009, is invalidated, we still think Nifty is bearish on a daily time frame. Moving over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, what is Nifty doing? This was swing high. It was bearish. Why was it bearish? Because this was a swing high. Okay, so the previous swing high was this, and from there Nifty fell and made a swing high here. So that swing high has been invalidated. Let's see if a swing higher low has been made. This is a swing low, and from here you see this is another swing low, higher swing low. That makes on a 4-hour it becomes bullish. So it's a classic case of reversal. I'm not saying it is a reversal, but theoretically, this is how a reversal happens. It's all bearish on higher time frames, and then from the lowest time frame, it turns bullish, 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 and then it goes all the way up to a higher time frame. So right now, 1 hour has become bullish. 1 hour had been bullish yesterday. I need to check. We haven't been to the 1 hour now, so on a 4 hour has become bullish. Is an important level that we need to mark? Well, I don't want to mark the fair value gaps here. Any other important levels? No, let's just forget it. Going to the 1 hour time frame. This is a swing low, and this is another swing low. So higher low has been made, so it's bullish. So as I said, a swing low has been made. A swing higher low has been made on a bearish time frame, and this is a flat top that has been validated. There could be a retest of this flat top before it goes higher. It's just hypotheses. Let me just give it a dotted line so that I don't confuse it with the daily time frame. So yes, it looks like Nifty has taken a good support right now. We do not know, and there's no much news. So what is that created this gap up? That is news of the India US trade agreement. And then what caused this fall? The lack of clarity on the terms of this trade agreement. And right now, we still don't have clarity on that trade agreement. So I do not see a reason for Nifty to actually break the all-time high and go higher, but we don't know. It looks like Nifty is taking support here in this case. Since the reason for the fall is not nullified, we may not have a high flying Nifty. We may have a consolidating Nifty that's bad for option buyers like me. Well, I'm not sure, since the chart is not the reason for this fall, for this gap up and this fall. It's purely speculative. We will have to look for those speculative reasons and then justify in the next moment of Nifty. Well, that's it for today. I'm not a certified analyst, and whatever I do here is only for educational purpose. Thank you very much.